Welcome to our channel. If you're a veteran or active service member wanting a VA home loan, follow these step-by-step instructions to access this valuable benefit. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility for a VA loan based on your service history. Generally, you need 90 consecutive days of active duty during wartime or 181 days during peacetime. Step 2. Request your certificate of eligibility from the VA through their website at benefits.va.gov by mail using VA Form 26/1880 or through your lender. Step 3. Check your credit score and financial situation. While the VA doesn't set minimum credit requirements, most lenders require a score of at least 620. Step 4. Determine your budget using VA loan calculators and consider all home ownership costs including property taxes, insurance, HOA fees and maintenance. Step 5. Find a VA-approved lender by searching the VA's lender directory or asking for recommendations from fellow veterans. Compare rates and terms from multiple lenders. Step 6. Get pre-approved by submitting your certificate of eligibility, income documentation, bank statements, and other financial records to your chosen lender. Step 7. Begin house hunting with a real estate agent experienced in VA loans who understands property requirements and can help negotiate VA-friendly terms. Step 8. Complete the home purchase by having a VA appraisal performed, finalizing your loan application, and closing on your new home with minimal or no down payment required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.